Hello, I'm David, Product Manager with Keystone RV Company Customer Service, supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us asking, what should I use to coat my roof? The answer is simple, nothing. The only maintenance to the roof material itself is washing it a few times a year. Most standard household detergents combined with warm water are appropriate. Please avoid petroleum-based solvents, harsh abrasives, or citrus-based products. Keep debris clear to help avoid stains. Note, while the rubber or TPO roof material itself is relatively maintenance-free, any sealed openings in the roof do require periodic inspections and resealing. Please review the owner's manual for more information on the care and maintenance of your RV. And remember, we are always here to help.